Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a landing page for lead generation. We'll cover essential steps to create a high-converting page that captures valuable leads for your business. Understanding your audience is the first crucial step, ensuring your message resonates deeply. A well-crafted landing page can significantly boost your marketing efforts, turning visitors into potential customers. We'll explore how to build an effective page from the ground up, focusing on clarity and conversion. Every effective landing page needs several key components to succeed. Start with a compelling headline that instantly communicates your offer's value. Follow this with concise, benefit-driven body copy that addresses your audience's pain points. A strong call to action, like download now or get your free guide, is absolutely vital. Don't forget to incorporate engaging visuals, such as a hero image or a short explainer video, to enhance understanding and appeal. Optimizing your landing page for conversion is crucial for maximizing lead generation. Remove all unnecessary navigation to keep visitors focused on your offer. Page speed is paramount. Aim for a load time under 3 seconds to prevent bounce rates. Incorporate social proof, such as customer testimonials or security badges, to build trust. Finally, design a lead capture form that is short and easy to complete, asking only for essential information. The journey to a perfect landing page involves continuous testing and iteration. Implement a /B testing for different elements like headlines, images, and call-to-action buttons to see what performs best. Regularly analyze your conversion rates and user behavior data to identify areas for improvement. Based on these insights, make informed adjustments to your page design and copy. This ongoing refinement process ensures your landing page consistently generates high-quality leads over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.